so happy to see you guys this morning. Today is hey, I've forgotten the days of the week. Today is Wednesday and we are back in school. Yes, so we are going to school today. We have a class. We have the class. The class is going to be for the whole day. Yeah, we're going to finish by around 4 p.m. So I'm here with my friend and we're going to school. I decided to take my camera for vlog. Who is excited? I am excited. Yes, it's another vlog. I'm excited to be making another vlog. So let's see how this one lasts. I don't know. Let's just see. So guys, I'll see you when we get to the bus stop. Yeah. We are going to the bus stop now. That is Sylvia, but she's so jammed up.
Hi everyone, welcome to Busayorejoice.
Yes, right. We have to run 5 minutes more. Okay, we have time. I didn't even know this pathway. I've never passed here before.
Let's go.
Okay. It's because of your shoe. Your shoe cannot enter that place. I don't know who wears flats in the snow. Look at you. Oh God. Look at my own. My own boots.
I'm wearing Vans. Why are you jealous?
Oh my God. There's a construction going on and they've started and it's just 7:07. They've started already in this cold. So we can cross here, right? This is the crossing.
Instead of going down, we have not even gotten to the bus stop.
Yeah. But we see, yeah, at the bus stop early. I hope our bus comes early. Look at me! Look at Sylvia! Sylvia, you look like Snow Woman. Oh my God. Let me check my bus ticket. I hope it's inside my pocket too. Yes. This is how the bus ticket looks like. This is the bus ticket for Uvascular.
Hi Gladys.
Oh, she's also coming.
God, who said me to Finland? My hands are frozen.
Me too.
Yeah. It's not that I want to dance, so I'm just trying to
Warm up.
Yes.
Sylvia is warming up. It's -9 today, right? -9.
Yes, I checked.
What did you say?
Hands are frozen. And then it's in the glove, it's frozen.
You see, me and Gladys, we are wearing right shoes. Look at what Sylvia is wearing.
What
The drip is everlasting. Drip is everlasting.
You know that?
Fashion over.
Did you post it?
No.
I wanted to take that part.
Yesterday, when I came out,
Yeah.
was it yesterday or Monday? Monday. Like this one, you couldn't have worked with this.
Because
Coming out.
yeah, they didn't pack the snow. There was snowstorm
And
on
it was
Monday.
there, like
Are you
here.
serious?
Yes.
I'm telling you.
Oh no. You know my
Sylvia Pukel to note Modicasti.
Yeah.
Modicasti. So now we are at the city center. We are at the city center. This is legal. So we are going to walk down to school today. is the train station. This is the would I say back of the train station? Anyway, a side of the train station. Yeah. If you're coming to Yamk from train, so as soon as you get down from the train, just climb the staircase and Sylvia, say hi. Gladys, say hi. As usual, this place is quiet. So, after putting off our jacket,
We are still carrying the mask.
This is
our
not fair.
lunch.
Look at her. Look at ours.
You want to follow us on food? So I'm not a foodie. Sylvia is and Gladys is. What are you buying? Is that the... Come on, buy for me now. That one that you used to give me.
I didn't see it. That's why I'm buying this one.
Okay, no. I want the one that you used to give me. Coffee. That one, did you buy it like coffee? You like from me though.
I didn't buy it from here. I buy it from
Sokos.
Sokos, yes.
This is the Oatly I used to. This one. They sell it in Nigeria too.
It's nice.
Using too, right? Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go and pay, right? So now guys, we are going to the Asian shop. So they sell African stuff, few African stuff also. So let's see how we can find together. This is the Nadia Bank. Nadia Bank. So if you want to open an account, this is where you come to. Careful. Yes, we are. Oof. Yes. Selfie, yeah. Sylvia, look at mirror now.
Oh my god.
You don't block camera. Like this.
How can I be like this? And I will not show.
Yeah.
Are you sure
yeah,
you want to see my hair?
Yeah, move closer to the mirror, please. Everyone, move closer to the mirror. Yes. Now let's go.
Okay, see me.
Come and see where perfume is. So, in case you saw clothes, this is where you can buy fabrics in Finland. So the store is Eurocandas. So it's Europe fabric, I guess. Yeah. So. So we ended up in Boo's house.
Yeah.
Boo is here. Yeah. Boo, say hi to my channel.
Hi.
Show you. So we have this Fulani here. Oh, follow cow. I love your cap. Can I get something like this? Can you tell your name? Can you say hi?
Female Joe.
Can you say hi to my channel?
Hi. No, let them see my hair.
So Boo is hosting us.
No, I'm not hosting you. I just like make. I just like
Hosting us. Yeah,
you borrow my kitchen. That's it.
So we are listening to some music.
Niger.
Oh, you
Wow.
Where's the knife? Now I can't find it. She's snapping like this with your bald head.
No, no,
Okay.
with the cap
Are
on.
we putting ginger inside this plate? Because I don't know.
You don't get it. Take for me one more. Just
No.
tell me what I will do.
No.
I will do anything.
I have two more left.
But the ones you snapped, I was looking like an idiot.
Seriously.
Huh? Oh, I like that one. I'm not going to keep it for her. I save it. That's it. You're not gonna get this picture. This is my memory. So.
If I thought to tell that yours had was cooler, we can see. Is it?
So after eating,
And this is just Bangkok alone.
Yeah, this is Bangkok.
we are watching
the biggest like shopping mall in Bangkok.
documentary about
Yes, look at
Thailand.
that. Look at that.
I have everybody
Definitely
here.
like fall in love in Bangkok.
Say hello.
Hi. So
This will be another heartbreak song.
Somebody, will find me.
One day,
Another way.
don't say too
Hey,
far away.
Hey,
Hey.
somebody, go. Hey,
Hey.
I am traveling again, and look who is right here with me. Biha.
Hi. It's always me and you.
It's always me and Biha on the move. So would you say hi or hello in Swahili now? Because I've actually deleted the previous video because of the issues. Long story, but
Say hi. Oh, hi is common.
just hello. How
Hello,
are you
hi.
doing?
Mambo, mambo, mambo,
Mambo, mambo, mambo.
mambo. That's the right one.
Okay. We're using the bus instead of the train, and it takes a lot more time.
Yeah.
It takes longer time than the bus, than the train. I mean,
Oh yeah.
yeah. So
We'll be there in
we'll
2
be there in
hours.
2 hours, 2 hours, 50 minutes, I guess.
But train is 1 hour 30 something.
Yeah.
40
So
minutes.
the difference is so much, but we don't mind. It's cheaper compared to train. Yeah.
It's peaceful also.
Yeah, it's cheaper and peaceful.
Yes.
All right. See you guys later. Bye. So this is the train station where you come down from the train. What's with Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this vlog, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you find interesting, and also subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also let me know in the comment section what you think about the vlog. And I promise to drop more interesting vlog like this and more interesting videos. And please guys, subscribe. Don't just watch, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Bye.